Hi guys, today I'll be doing the unboxing of my new RTX 3080 ASUS card and my new power supply. So I set on my various platforms that I'll be doing it today, and definitely let me show you my new Antec 750 watts HCG power supply. It's gold rated and it's the biggest biggest tier on Linux's power supply rating list. It's gotten an A+. Also, I have a 10-year warranty on it. I had to buy a new. I had 600 watts, but I don't think it's gonna be enough for this bad boy over here. My new ASUS TUF gaming card. And also, let me show you this. Look at this bad boy. Today I'll be doing the unboxing of this card. And, okay, man, let's do it. It's really I think it's gonna be like a very big card. How can I do this? Manage not to break anything. Okay, let's see. So we have this box right here. See? Okay. How do I do this, man? I can never unbox this ever in my life. Okay, we have this. So actually, this various cards. Should have over. Okay, we have our card, and man, it's such a beautiful card. So it has this no, bro, I broke this. Okay, but that's okay. Okay, let me show you this. Such a beautiful card, look at it. It's a really big card, honestly. As you can see, we have 3 fans to spin in this direction. The middle one spins in the opposite direction. And also, I don't know how to remove this, I'll remove this, it's not gonna hurt the card, nothing. Let me just show you what we have from these little cards. So we have this little tough gaming, overclocking 3 points, heat dispersion 3 points. Okay. Then we have this thank you for purchasing ASUS graphics cards. I was really want to purchase an ASUS. I have an ASUS ROG motherboard, and I had an ASUS 2070 EVO, and now bought this bad boy, and it's the only one left in my country. I was chasing this card for a month and a half, literally. Not the day 17th of September when they dropped, but a few weeks after till today I was chasing it. We have this certificate of availability and this little guide, whatever. Let me just take this off for you guys. How do I do this? Okay. Man. It's really beautiful, honestly. Okay, that's it. Look at this. I'm really happy. Thank you so much for watching me. Follow me on Twitch. I'll be streaming there tonight with this thing. First time testing in game. So we'll see how it does. Thanks so much for watching.